What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lawrence Jerome and this is Young and Uprising. Yeah, today I just going to do a vlog type video with you. Basically a day in my life. Yeah, off day in my life. I think that's what I'll title that video, an off day in my life. Because right now, because of the COVID situation, I've been working 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And today is Thursday. And normally on a Thursday, my life is always occupied. I'm a very busy person. I try to be very productive with my life. And today, what I'm going to do today, first of all, I'm going to be going and check GK. All you know GK from What's This, right? Yeah, he's actually my brother, by the way. So I'm going to check him again. He's going to go on a project all the way at Jungle Bay this morning. And I'm just going to check him out to give him a ride. To head down to Jungle Bay. And then I have a lot of things on my list to do for this week. And today I may be thinking I might just see if I can cover just about 4. So that's one of them. That's going and check GK. Then I have a little estimate that I really need to complete before tomorrow. So I can be working on that as soon as I get home. I can see if I can get my nephew to come and help me work on the estimate as well. Also, I might spend about 2 hours on the estimate and then I'm going to be working. For those of you who have been following my other channel, you all know that I started again building on my building project. I just started up upstairs on the studio apartment, and if all you have been checking it out, you all know the progress. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on that as well. And then the third thing I'm going to be doing, then I have a drafting project that I need to work on. Yeah, so that's about 3 things or 4 things. That's 4 things. Yeah, so that's going and drop GK to Jungle Bay. That's coming and work on the estimate, and that's working on the building project. I also have to drop a ladder for my father-in-law. I'm not sure where, so I think I'll do that maybe sometime this afternoon, and then I have to work on a drafting project. So that's about 5 different things that I have to do, and I have another project that I have to work on. Yeah. So that's about it. That's going to take place. So just stay tuned and see what I can record for you guys. Yes, my little truck way. Traffic.
Serious on this track, fam.
Dominica stronger. Jesus, fight my battle. I feel like I'm in traffic like forever there, man. Forever. Look at that. Almost at my destination now. Getting there. Okay guys, so we made it to my destination, to my parents' home, which is basically where GK lives. Yeah. As I come in there, just remember, the last time I went there, I opened my nephew's room door, and you will not believe what I've seen. If all you think all you know what I've seen, put it down in the comment section below. But right now I can open it, and I tell him next time I open in that door, I can open it down on my camera. So check it out there. The clown cannot be sleeping, Man sleeping, boy. Let me check out Adil now. I tell him when I come in back and check him. Look, he's door lock. So he just he's locking his backside.
I just about to call you, remember?
The man sleeping. The man sleeping.
I lie down all the time. I just about to call you.
See his face. Everybody know you sleeping, my boy. His eyes red, he's sleeping.
And let me call you back.
You know I have to make a video, my boy. It's GK767. Inside the dark man. Put on my light there now. Yeah, my boy. This is GK naked. Adil, wake up. Adil, open his door. What's going on there, my brother? I tell you next time I'm coming inside, I'm coming with my camera, you know. Okay, it's time for us to move now. After waiting almost an hour for the man. What are you talking about? Sister on the ride. Now she wanna know what's going on because she want to sit at the front.
You're a very adventurous girl. Yes, I know. But it's me that call you, right? Hurry up, girl. Hurry up, girl. Is it you that is the hijacker? What? Are you going to record people's phone about?
Say hello now.
Hour.
This is Young and Uprising, my girl.
This is Young Uprising.
Yep. And we're off.
It's a boy Jiggy and
This is my little sister. And where is Jiggy? And this is my little brother at the back.
It's my sexy wife.
No, boy. Yeah, so we're on our way, almost there. And this is GK.
See, my friend, I'm on time.
And although I wait an hour for him,
You don't wait no hour for my friend.
we're still on time.
There's no way you come there after 8, next to it, and you leave at 8:30.
Okay, I wait about 45 minutes.
30 minutes. I pass it. So you see, less than 30 minutes.
And we're heading to Jungle Bay.
Yeah.
The life, my boy.
Yeah, like he said. So it's good, my brother, because we are just talking about the vaccine, my brother.
Yeah, I don't get a chance to watch.
Yeah, the Bible tells us not to be of the world, and the world are really telling us not to take the vaccine.
The world are telling us not
yeah,
to
if
take
you
the
watch it,
vaccine.
the world are telling us not to take the vaccine.
Really?
Yeah, because they're in charge of the media. They're saying they're blocking off things, but all we really seeing is negativity. It's a mind game. They subliminally and psychologically manipulating us to think the vaccine is something that we shouldn't take.
Yeah, so if all you do check out the live,
Yeah.
that's your first live, ain't you?
No, that's my second line.
Oh, you're live already? No, I never see you live. Oh, I thought it's on Facebook alone you're doing live, but alright. Yeah, check out the live, and if you check it out, it's what's this? GK7, no, not GK767.
Everybody know me, my brother. Especially everybody
What's
watching.
this?
Everybody watching you.
Yeah.
My brother.
So check out the live. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. Check out this channel too. Yes, we're heading to Secret Bay, Jungle Bay. Me myself planning to go live soon. You never know. Look out for it there. Yep, we on the move again. Yeah, hey, the set of that road there, nice man. I never come there.
This time?
I passed there already. I never come on the guys. Jungle Bay. Boy, I miss Jungle Bay with Davis. That was nice, boy.
Yeah, the jungle.
But they're much better, I suspect. They're much nicer.
Oh, daily it was before you come there?
Yeah, we going?
No,
Yeah,
straight.
Straight. This is Jungle Bay.
You will see the big entrance you have to pass, my brother. Go ahead. See, parking up so, and you can go that way. Go that way.
That way?
Yeah.
So we're going beyond the parking. Oh, you can circle.
Yeah. The whole roundabout. I don't know where they have any.
They have Statch, a fixed Statch.
It doesn't matter, my brother. I don't know where it is. Where we go? I go time.
Yes, I'm in Jungle Bay now for the first time. They definitely looks nice. Check out the scenery. Doesn't look too bad at all. My little vehicle back there. This is the statch, wherever you name it. Definitely have to bring my wife there very soon. Very soon. Looking like they're having some serious activities there. GK already move out. A reporter just come for him one time or something and he go. And I don't have time to waste. I have a whole day ahead of me. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so just as I'm about to leave, GK tell me come for a tour. So let's see what's going on here. This is a neat place. They really did a number in this place. Wow. Hey, look. It's a Buddha monk. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it a Buddha monk? Mr. Guna. And tell me come for a tour. Looking him and leave me and go. Man disappear. I decided I will pass back when I get a chance because it doesn't make sense because I have other things to do before you give me a tour and I have a long day ahead of me. Yeah. It is what it is. I'm moving out there right now. And I'm off out of this place. It's a beautiful place. I definitely have to come back right there. Okay guys, I am back home. Yeah, boy, my phone battery died on me and I couldn't really do more recording. But yeah, after I left Jungle Bay, I end up doing two more things. I end up going and measure. I got a call on my way down and I end up going and measure some parts of a structure for somebody as another project. And then when I went back to collect my nephew, I went to go and bring my father for a haircut. And yeah, so I am back home. There I am there with my nephew. Where is he? Hey, say hello to YouTube. It's Adil. See how he's saying hello, say so. Yeah. So right now we're just going to work on our little estimate there to move forward. Yeah, I end up taking up quite a lot of time, you know, and right now it's already after 11. I don't know how close it is to 12 o'clock. Let me see the time. Can I watch the time? Oh, it's 20 to 12. Yeah, so without much time, let's see how fast I can work on that estimate there right now.
Dear Lord, I want to thank you for always guiding and protecting me, Lord God, and for always giving me the strength when I needed it. Because I work hard, everything was down to the top. I work hard, yeah. Everything I do is for the Lord. I work hard, elevating headed to the top. I work hard, yeah.
2.63.
Everything I do is for the Lord. Work hard. Pray. Oh, I work hard.
This is Rocky for you. Yeah, okay guys. Yeah, right now I'm going to start on my building project. Let me just show you guys. Checking out, I've been building my little upstairs and downstairs. Downstairs is going to be a office and upstairs is going to be a studio apartment. Of course, if you want to see any updates, check out my other channel, which is Lawrence Jerome DIY. The link will be in the description below, where you'll see me attempt to build this office. Yeah, check it out guys. So that's my next thing for today. Yeah, anyways guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. That's about it for this video. Yeah, yeah, it's a little tough on my side. Anyway, as I close this video, I just want to give a shout out to Fab's Vibration. You know, yeah, he gave me a shout out on his channel some time ago. It was really funny, man. He actually had started his channel similar to mine. Yeah, that was funny. So I just want to give a shout out. He's a YouTuber, and he does vlogs and other interesting stuff on his channel. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. Yeah, I have a lot of YouTube friends. Now and again, I'll see if I can do some shout out for them. You know, take care, people. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Anyway, this has been Young and Uprising, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out. That's my sexy wife. Look how sweet she looks. Click that thumbs up button. We're on lockdown, and there's nothing to do.